How you guys doing? This is Dino with LAPC Networking, and today I'm gonna show you how to use and install Zoom in your Windows or your Mac computer. Okay guys, so I'm gonna go a little quick right here. So the first thing that we're gonna do, we're gonna type google.com. Once that we type that, we're gonna type Zoom download. I'm gonna be really specific on this because if you type something different, you're gonna get some ads like here and you can get virus. So if you type zoom.com, it's gonna take you directly to this download, and you're gonna have two options. But the option that you're gonna pick is this one at the top, Zoom for client meetings, and then you're gonna get it right here at the bottom on the left side. You can install it directly if you are using Google, or you can go directly to your downloads and run it from there. So in this case, I'm using a Mac, so I'm just gonna click continue right here, continue, install. It's gonna be the same like Windows and PC. It will ask you for your password. In this case, I type or put my fingerprint actually. So I'm gonna keep the program right here. We can close all this. Once that we close it, we're gonna click sign in, and then we need to sign up. If you don't have an account, we're gonna sign up for the first time, and then you're gonna have to put your month, your day, and your year. So we're gonna have to register all the information with the first and last name and all that. For some reason, it doesn't take a minor, so you're gonna have to create the account for your kid with your birthday or with your you can then after you can put their first name and last name, but usually the birthday you have to use yours. So we need to register with an email. Like in this case, I'm using info@lapcnetworking.com. That's the company email. I'm gonna sign up here, and then I'm gonna receive a link into my email. So we can close all these windows, and we can go now to our email to verify that we create the account. So I'm gonna go right here to my email. If you see right here, I have the Zoom email. We're gonna click in this blue icon to activate the account, and then it will ask you if you work with a company or school, so you can pick whatever you want. Now I'm gonna type the first name and last name. In this case, I'm using the company like I was telling you, and then we're gonna put our password. Just make sure that you put 8 digits. You need to have at least one capital letter and also one number, and then you need to confirm it right here at the bottom. If everything is green, we can click continue, and if you want, you can save it on your browser. So we have our email. We're gonna type it right here. Make sure that you when you create your password, you write it down so that you don't forget about it. So we're gonna put our email on our password. We're gonna sign in. Once that we're in, this is the look that you're gonna see in any cell phone, in any tablet, in any computer. It's pretty similar, the same, but the one that you're gonna be using is this join meeting. If someone sent you already the link into your email, that user ID, it's the one that you need to type here, and then once that you type it, it's gonna ask you for your password. That way you're gonna be able to get into the meeting for your school or for work. So I'm gonna just create a meeting right here temporary just to show you how to use it. Once that you put your email and your password and you're in, I will suggest you to go in here. You're gonna see a lot of different options on the bottom left corner with this little microphone and camera. So what I will suggest you is to test your microphone and test your speakers before you do the video call, just to make sure that everything is working correctly, because if it's not, you're not gonna be able to communicate with them. You get these little red lines. If you see when I click on the microphone, it will mute it, or if I click on the video, it will disappear my image. Now here you can change your background. So if you don't like the background that you have, you can download one from the internet. If you guys see, it's red in the back with the LAPC logo. I'm gonna download this with Earth on the back, and I'm gonna install it. So once we install it, it will change it automatically. And we see here, you see the background at the back. You see there is no LAPC no more. You see my background changed completely. And then it's a couple other options that you can modify if you wanna be kind of like a little more like a pro. But if your computer it has a built-in camera, pretty much all the settings you're gonna keep it the same. If you don't care about the background, you can keep all the same. You don't need to modify anything. Only when you have an external camera, you can switch it here and change some of the preferences. Also the audio, you can use an external audio, different microphone in case if you want to do like more professional audio. You can pick any of those settings and you can record the actual screen, but the person who invite you to the meeting is the one that needs to allow you to record this screen. If it's not, you're not going to be able to. So don't forget about these two options that you can mute. Also, if you actually want to invite someone, if you decide to create a meeting, you have a couple options right here at the bottom. So one of the options is share the meeting. So we can invite any person to go to our meeting. When you do the invitation, automatically it's going to create an ID and a password, and you can do it by email, by your Gmail account or whatever account that you guys have. You can sign in, copy and paste the email and the ID and password, or you can simply just clicking by this blue icon and automatically it's gonna copy the ID and the password. If you see right here is in, so I'm gonna just clicking one, put my same email just to invite myself, and then once that I email, let's say the person that I send the invitation, they're gonna receive this type of email and they're just gonna click on the blue link. Also this email obviously is gonna have the ID and the password, so once they click in, automatically it will take them to the video call. But in case if it requires to reinsert the password in the email, you already have it in your email. So I hope that this video helped you. I'm trying to be quick right here just to give you major details, and if you want you can end the phone call right here or at the bottom right side. Don't forget the LA3C is here always to help you, and if you have any comments, any questions, let us know. Take care.